Treasure chest. Here's the thing. When I went downstairs today, neighbor Anne put this game console and cards to me, hoping I can help to make a treasure chest or something like in the Kingdom of Zelda. Not a big problem. Start doing it. A chest with a mouth, 2 eyes, no legs.
I have a pen, I have an apple, apple pen. I have a pen, I have pineapple, pineapple pen.
If I put all the machines here working for treasure chests, how many switches it will take?
Pineapple, apple pen.
It will be ready soon. No need to rush.
Apple pen. Dance time.
Check if it is good.
I have a pen, I have a pen, long pen. I have a
Text Brother Ma to help me make a program. Install the cassette tape to complete. Light it up. Treasure chest.
pineapple, apple pen.
Go back to play games. Do you guys think it is worthy?